the heart of the tranquil woodland, hidden beneath a canopy of ancient trees and fairy lights that twinkle like stars, a warm glow rises from a little kitchen carved into a hollow oak. This is the woodland kitchen, where friends gather, laughter echoes through the leaves, and the air is always filled with the sweet promise of celebration. Tonight, beneath the soft golden shimmer, 4 dear friends have come together to create something magical, a festive sweet that glimmers with both flavor and friendship. Muffin in her pink apron smiles at the steaming pot. She lifts a spoon as fragrant steam rises from the bamboo basket. The glutinous rice glistens, pearly and tender. Her paws fluff the rice, whiskers twitching. At the table, Bobo the bear stirs a pot of simmering coconut milk, which turns rich and creamy. He tastes the sauce thoughtfully. Satisfied, he smiles, adding a ladleful of care. Meanwhile, Bunbun the bunny is busy with a basket of ripe mangoes, peeling each one to reveal its silky flesh. With a tiny knife, she slices the mangoes into sunny crescents, arranging them like a little sun. Then there's Pingping, the chick with the most important job, a bowl of toasted sesame seeds. She skips and giggles, letting seeds rain down on the rice and even on Bunbun's nose for a surprise. At last, everything comes together. With careful paws, Muffin scoops the steamy, sticky rice into the center of a wide willow tray, forming a gentle mound. Bobo drizzles the coconut sauce until it glistens, pooling gently at the edges. Bunbun lays her mango slices along the sides like rays around the sun, each one gleaming with juicy sweetness. And Pingping lets the last of the sesame seeds tumble in a jubilant shower, earning another round of giggles as a few seeds end up in her own fluffy feathers. Their woodland kitchen is alive with the scent of warm rice and coconut, the shimmer of mango, and the laughter of friends old and new. Outside, the forest glade is cast in a gentle glow. On a long wooden table set beneath the rustling leaves and hundreds of twinkling fairy lights, the magical mango sticky rice glows at the center. The friends gather around, paws and wings reaching out, hearts full to the brim with warmth and cheer. There is no need for grand speeches tonight. The glow on each friend's face says it all. The perfect celebration is made of simple joys. Sharing delicious food, telling stories by candlelight, and knowing you're never alone beneath the stars. In the woodland clearing, laughter rings out, sweet and bright, mingling with the fairy light breeze. And so, with each tender spoonful of mango sticky rice, another memory is made. One of shimmering lights, gentle hearts, and the kind of friendship that feels, truly, like a little bit of magic.
It looks almost too pretty to eat.
Muffin, the rice is perfect, so tender.
Thank you, Bunbun. And Bobo, your coconut sauce is the best part.
It's all magical when we make it together.
And my sesame seeds add the magic sparkle.
My tummy is as full as my heart.
It was a perfect day. I love our little traditions.
Look at the stars. They're almost as sparkly as my sesame seeds.
They are beautiful, just like our friendship. It guides us, like the stars guide travelers.
And as the evening draws to a gentle close, the magic of the woodland kitchen lingers, not just in the sweet scent of mango and coconut, but in the quiet warmth shared between 4 dear friends. For in this enchanted corner of the world, they know the greatest magic of all is found in simple moments, shared together, under the soft glow of the moon and stars.